I'm not allowed to go to Big Bear until I clean up this room. Hey guys, it's Tiffany. What is freaking up, you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. It is December 4th. Holy cow. Maybe I am doing vlogmas because it is officially vlogmas day 4. I just happened to miss day 1 and day 2. It is currently 2:30 p.m. I was supposed to leave to Mia's house at like 12 p.m. As you guys can clearly see, I'm still at my own house right now. So, not totally positive if the Big Bear girls trip is still happening because I don't want to leave my house until I know everyone got their results back, and a couple girls have not gotten the results back. So technically I can't leave for like another 2 hours. Mia and I are supposed to get ramen together and it's 2:30. I am so freaking hungry, so I think I'm gonna make a little snack for myself. But I just wanted to update you guys on what is happening with the Big Bear trip because I do know there's a lot of drama going on. This morning I posted my addressing the Big Bear girls trip drama, and so many of you guys are just being positive, but also so many of you guys are being negative and just kind of like bashing Adeline. I don't want any of you guys to bash Adeline. 1, I love Adeline. 2, not blaming Adeline for anything. She put so much work into planning this Big Bear girls trip, and I appreciate her. I love her and I support her, and I don't want any of you guys to bash her. I just wanted to address it. It's not her fault that I got hate for it or people have been DMing me about it. I understand she was super frustrated with the whole situation and she had to voice that because she is being real in her vlogs. Last night I was so stressed out about this trip that I literally clenched my jaw so hard. I had the most jaw pain ever last night while I was sleeping, and because of that, because I have TMJ, literally like the left or the right side of my body is like clenched and in pain, and I literally can't move my neck like super far left or right, so that's not fun. Adeline's calling. Before I'm allowed to leave, I actually do have to clean the house a little bit just to like have Matt appreciate it. Matt just got a bunch of truff sauce. They just sent us a package of their spicy truff, their normal truff, which is so freaking good, their white truff sauce, which is so expensive, and they just came out with pasta sauces, which are definitely a little pricey, but like so excited for that. If you guys have any like family members or friends that love truffle, I highly suggest getting them these hot sauces. These are about like $20. They're packaged really freaking well, so it's like a perfect little gift to get them. The black one is definitely my favorite. So we're just gonna fold a bunch of laundry that I did. I just folded all the towels in this house. Actually, we have way more towels in this, but these are all the towels that got dirty during like Thanksgiving weekend, so I had to like wash all of them. I got so much more stuff to do before I leave, but at least the towels are done. Cleaned the living room. Look how cute it is. I really need to water this plant right here. She's dying. Also, he's dying. So I definitely need to water those. I also cleaned this room. This room has turned into such a random room. I don't know what room this is. I also cleaned the dining room. I didn't clean the freaking kitchen because there's not much to clean other than like a few boxes here and there, but for the most part, it's not gonna bother Matthew. I just know it bothers Matthew when I leave a mess in like the main areas. I'm still packing up everything. Oh wait, hold on. Let me show you guys the full outfit with the shoes on. I got this top from For Love and Lemons. Honestly, not a fan of how it fits on me, but I can't return it, so I'm just gonna wear it and try to make it work today. My bottoms are from Princess Polly. I'm holding it up with like shoelaces. Do you guys know like that TikTok trick? Such a weird outfit, but kind of dig it at the same time. Shark has been begging me for food, and I just wanted to show you guys the way that we feed her. I put all of her food in this cute little jar, and we scoop 1.5 of these into her little food bowl, and she's been eating so much lately. She's like us. She's putting on some winter weight, so I give her about 1.5. Zoe's been gaining weight too. Fun fact, I've also been gaining weight. I currently gained, I think, 5.5 pounds, but like I'm not sad about it. I'm actually pretty okay with it. I like my new booty, but I wanted to show you guys the bedroom because the bedroom is definitely a little messy, and she was literally clean cleaned like 2 weeks ago. So I don't know how this happened, but it happened. Here we go. We have the bedroom. So I'm gonna clean the bedroom really fast. Ooh, what would be a good angle to clean the bedroom in, Joe? Getting a thumbnail. Bed is clean. I made the bed. I put everything away that didn't need to be here. The only thing that's kind of messy right now is this little area, but all this stuff is actually gonna go inside of my car. Okay, so a little update on the COVID test situation. We're all good. We're all good in the neighborhood. We're gonna pack the car. Woo! I have so many bags. We're ready to go, guys. How exciting. I opened the door and so we jumped in. No, you're not allowed to go, baby. I'm so sorry, but you're gonna have a nice weekend with Dad. He's gonna take such good care of you. It is officially 5 p.m. and we are leaving the house and we are commencing the annual Big Bear trip. So there's only gonna be 6 girls going, by the way. It is just 6 girls. Not saying bye. I love you. I love you. I love you.
This is my first reveal on
vlogmas?
anybody's.
Oh my god. Am I allowed to talk about it?
Yeah.
Guys, Mia has a secret. It's not a secret.
Public.
It's very public, you're right. Mia got a nose job. She looks the same, but different, but the same.
I also got a chin job.
You've always been so hot and pretty to me, but like, you're just like a little bit more like better.
Oh, thank you.
You know what I mean? What else are
I'm
you
still
getting
very
done?
swollen. I'm still bruised.
Your nose still looks so good. Hold on, I want to do a side profile. Look at this nose. You make me want to get one.
Your nose is perfect.
I have nose fillers in. Oh my god, it's so cute in here. Holy shit. Guys, we just got to the cabin. Adeline's not here yet. She stopped by Costco to get us like a bunch of food and stuff, I think. Mia and I have to stake our rooms because it's first come, first serve. God, this freaking cabin is the cutest thing. Say hello, Sierra.
Hi.
Oh my god. This cabin is way cuter than the last one we had. Oh my god, this room is so freaking cute. I want to see Sierra's room. So Sierra came here first. So she staked out the room. Oh my god, it's totally fine. Oh, it's cute. I think these are the other rooms. So this is gonna be where like Adeline and Mai and Brianna stay, I believe. Oh my god, this is downstairs. What is down here? Oh shit, this is the other room. Oh, so here is another room with like a pool table and shit. This is kind of fun. Oh my god, Sierra, can I steal a piece of pizza? Okay, so here is the kitchen. So adorable. Chef Sierra made pizza, so I'm stealing a piece. Wow, I'm so hungry. That's good. I'm so excited. This year's like Big Bear trip's gonna be so chill. There's only 6 of us here. So everyone just got here. I literally have not seen Sierra in like 10 months. She's changed. You're so much happier.
Oh!
I'm happy for you.
I'm happy.
I dig this. So me and I bought a bunch of groceries from Vons, not realizing that Adeline also bought like $250 worth of groceries as well. We have so much alcohol. There's only 6 of us girls here, and it's only gonna be 6 of us for the rest of the trip. So like, we're all gonna either leave with a bunch of alcohol or die being really fucking drunk. So we don't know. So, a little update. We put away all the freaking groceries in the house. We literally bought way too much groceries for 6 girls for 3 days. But I wanted to show you guys how I organized everything. Mai also organized everything as well. And she pretty much organized most of the fridge. It looks so good. Oh my god. We have so many things in here. We have all of our meats down here. We have all of our veggies. We're trying to be a little healthy. In this one, we have all our cheese, charcuteries. We got pastas, breads, carbs, eggs, Christmas cookies, some raspberries, strawberries, and blueberries. We got a bunch of coffee stuff. I don't drink coffee, so this will not be for me. We got some waffles, DiGiorno's. Oh my god, so much alcohol. And a fucking ton of snacks. Adeline.
Yo, it's just straight dead.
Are you really doing this?
Get over here.
Oh my god. I will be here for moral support.
We're going.
Hey guys, it's the next morning now. Context around that clip because I'm pretty sure you guys are probably thinking Adeline is like drunk out of her mind. No, she's not. She did have a little bit of wine and alcohol, but mostly she was just dead tired, like literally was snoring on the kitchen counter. But yeah, last night was really fun. I didn't vlog a lot last night, but if you guys made it to the end of the video, comment down below if you were to make your perfect Big Bear Girls trip, who are the 5 other girls you would invite? Honestly, I think this group of girls is the perfect like bunch. We all just mesh really well personality wise. There's like some of us who are like super chill, some of us who have a lot of energy, and like we all just like even each other out. And I also really enjoy the fact that it's super intimate, like there's only 6 of us. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next vlog this month, and I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, everyone's awake now.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.